Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everything is fine at your end. And many congratulations. You all are promoted to grade 4s. Okay. So today here in computer class we will discuss very interesting chapter. In this chapter there are very interesting topics. Yes, we will discuss about computers. As we all know, computers are very much in demand these days. Computers have become so important for us that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are used in almost every area. So, we are going to start our first chapter, that is chapter number 1, uses of computer. So, can you please tell me where else computers are used? So, we are going to start our first topic, that is computers in different area. So, you have to open your books, page number 1. So we are going to learn about the applications of computers in different areas. First of all, we will see how computers are used at home. So can you please tell me how we are using computers at home? Yes, we can use computer for playing games, listening music. If you have to perform some calculations, we use computer for them. We can keep track of our monthly expenses in computer. We can write letters, we can watch movies, we can store addresses, telephone numbers. So there are so many uses of computer at home. So come on page number 2. We will see how computers are used in school. So as we know, we have seen computers in computer labs. Computers are used by teachers as well and for students as well. How teachers are using computers? Yes, they are using for preparing their lessons, teaching different subjects from internet, preparing report cards. So can you please tell me how students are using computers? Yes, for preparing projects, you can learn different subjects with the help of computer. Now our next topic is how computers are helping in making films. As we know that earlier creating animated movies, it was very difficult task. So each picture in the sequence had to be drawn by hand. So computer has made this task very easy for us. Today computers have made it really easy to make cartoon films and other animations. Now can you please tell me what is animation? Yes, animation is basically the technique of giving an object the appearance of movement. Repeatedly running a series of images of the objects or a character in different position. Your object can move in different positions. Picture can be easily modified, like you can easily change or edit the picture nowadays with the help of computer. Special effects can be applied in your movies. So like you have must have seen like earthquake or some fire can be created. So who is doing this all? Yes, computer is helping us in doing these all tasks. So these effects can be easily combined with real scenes and characters when needed. Now our next and very interesting topic is how computers are used in space technology. So computers are widely used in space technology. Computers are used to monitor and control the space equipment and satellites. These satellites are basically linked with the computers and they give information for space research. And satellites can also help to predict the weather patterns. How they are helping us? Satellites basically transfer their information from space to computers. Those computers are on Earth. So these computers process the information and make the predictions about the weather. Space shuttles and rockets which take man into space, they all are controlled by computers. So computers are basically helping in space technology as well. So if you see page number 3, they are telling us how computers are used in offices. Yes, computers are very helpful in offices as well to maintain your office records. You can easily communicate with one another through emails. You can type and print your documents. Now, how you are using computers in libraries? Computers are used in libraries for many purposes. You can maintain your database of the books available in the library. Like you can have all records of your books in your library. You can easily maintain in computers. Previously you used to maintain in registers or some books, so it is difficult to maintain the record as well. So computer has made this task very easy. You can easily keep the track of your issue and return of books. Now, how computers are used in medicines? Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. If you go to hospital, computers are helpful to maintain the medical record of patient for future reference. Computerized equipment is used for performing medical tests and surgeries in hospitals. So many latest and computerized machines are helping nowadays to manufacture medicines as well. Computer assisted equipments, they are helping to monitor the condition of the patient, like what is the current position of the patient. So there are so many benefits of computers in different fields. Now come on page number 4. Over here we will learn how computers are used in banks. As we know, computers are helpful in operating automated teller machines, or ATMs. What are those ATM machines? Which are installed outside the banks and that easily enables the customer to take out their money at any time. And they are providing account details to customers and imprinting account statements. Like you can easily get the information about your account and you can get the printout of your account statement as well. Using computers for designing. As we know, different engineers are using computers, different architects are using computer, a dress designer is using computers. How architectures are using computers? They design buildings and houses on computers. Engineers design cars, aeroplanes, etc. on computers. And dress designer design different styles, different design of dresses on computer. So computers are helping designers as well. Next topic is how computers are used in shops and hotels. We know that they are used for preparing bills as well as maintaining the records of stock and prices of item, like what is the quantity of the items and what are their prices. These all the details are installed in computers. Now what are our computer controlled cameras? So computers are helping in controlling cameras as well. These cameras are basically controlled by the computers and they are used in different places. They are helpful in security purposes as well, like in many banks, stores and school. They use computer control cameras to keep a watch on people's activities, like what the person is doing. They keep an eye on it. This helps to catch the theft in banks and stores as well. You all must have seen computer control cameras in your schools as well, in your classes as well. Yes, so these cameras keep an eye on you people. And we all know that doctors also use tiny cameras to look inside the human body for diagnosing diseases as well. You all must have seen computer controlled cameras on highways. They are helpful in identifying vehicles that are not following proper traffic rules. Yes, you all are familiar with robots as well. Our next topic is how computers are helpful in making robots. It's on page number 5. Robots are basically human like machines and they are controlled by computers. They can also do some tasks that human cannot do. Now, what are these tasks? Like robots can easily handle chemicals that are too dangerous for human to touch. Robots can also go inside active volcanoes. Robots help explore other planets as well. Robots help doctors as well to perform operations. Robots can go to dangerous places such as deep underwater to search for sunken ships or look for mineral deposits. Our last topic is how computers are helpful in airlines and railway reservation offices. So, we all know computers are used in airlines and railways booking counters where all the computers are connected to a common network. This will help people to book their tickets from any town or city to any other place. So, what are the steps for booking tickets? Like first of all the information required is fed into a computer by the booking personnel. Now they check the availability of tickets. The tickets are booked and printed and they are issued to a concerned person. And this new information is updated immediately on all the computers through the common network and the latest status is displayed. So we have learned so many uses, so many applications of computers. Now you all have to find different applications of computers, how computers are useful in other fields as well. I will ask from you in your Zoom class. So you can take the help of your book or internet